feel that since it is free, my money is not involved, I can come here while away my time, do whatever thing I want to do, and at the end of the day, I won't go home with anything. No, please spend the maximum time here and make good use of your time. My fellow instructors will be here. They will take charge and they will be handling this morning section. Please, you'll be taught both the theory and you'll be taught both the practical. Once you go in there for practical, the registration form you fill, if you had read it down, it stated there clearly that you will take good care of the properties here and you are liable to replace anyone that you handle roughly. So please, when you go in there, you take good care of the systems there and you watch the floor. Due to some lapses, we've not been able to complete the network, the proper placing of the cables here. So you just observe the floor very well and you go in there. Today you'll be taught introduction to graphics. Introduction to graphics. My graphic professionals that are here, they'll take you through this morning section. Later in the day, the other professionals will be coming to take you through this section. Please enjoy yourself and have a nice time. Why I live here, I don't know if my colleague will have a word or for you people. So please let's welcome Mr. Victor.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You're welcome to Hamlet. My name is Victor. Yeah, I was a student of Delft, so I graduated like 3 years back, done with NYS and everything. So since then, I've not been able to use my certificate. I finished from the Department of Mathematics, 2017. So since then, I've not been able to use my BSc. We all came to school, so I'll get that certificate and have one kind of massive employment somewhere. I mean, but my certificate is somewhere in the house, sitting down there, without making me anywhere. Sure, you know what I mean? So when you're done with school, like, you're faced with that pressure from society, asking you that, what next? After school, what next? I know people have seen memes about NYSC, talking about after NYSC, what next? There's one pressure that comes with it, even for females today. We know that being independent is not in the future. Nobody wants to be dependent on one particular person because of useless place. That's true to the matter. But definitely, we should just try our best and gain as much knowledge as we want to gain from here. During the lockdown, coronavirus lockdown, I was opportunity to meet some graphic designers that were making